Hey Vortex. So we're in the middle of a grassy knoll. You want proof of that? It's right here. Proof. Proof that I'm here. See Tupac? See the cold brew? Yeah, it's proof that I'm here. And that is Lowe's over there. That is Discount Tire, where my car is. I'm having the rear tires replaced, which apparently they do for free. Who knew? I told them that I have a tendency to run into things because I'm a woman. And they said, well, you said it. You said it. We didn't say it. You said it. Do you see that? It's a plane. It's a bird. That doesn't look like a real plane though, man. I don't know what that is, but looks a little hokey. It is hokey. Everything's hokey. This is like Hokeyville. Welcome to America, the hokiest place in the world. It's like everything's backwards, you know? I shouldn't be complaining because I just got free shit. And oh my goodness, the guy that waited on me at Discount Tire. I've noticed that, like, the majority of people that work at Discount Tire are really, really attractive. I don't know about your Discount Tire, but all the dudes at my location are, like, insanely hot. And this guy had a sense of humor, which is so rare. I can tell if somebody has a sense of humor based off of what they make of me, you know? Because there are a lot of people that get offended by my existence. They get offended by, you know, sexist statements that I make. Even if I'm referring to myself, they still don't like it. Or anti-American statements that I make. Well, I'm a Christian, you know? I don't think that you can be like a good Christian and just turn a blind eye to things that are really bad. And it doesn't matter if it's like your country. You should care more because it's your country, you know? You should want this country to be, you know, moral and ethical and just. And if it's not, then I don't see what's to take pride in. You know, like, it just doesn't make sense to me. People saying they're proud of something that they either A, had no part in, like, you had no part in making this, whatever it is, so I don't understand why you take pride in it, but it's like they take pride in it because of, like, I don't know, what they think it means, but like I've said, this is the shadow world, so, like, you know, pretty much everything's meaningless. We add meaning to everything. You know, if you took away the context, like, none of this stuff would have any merit, which is exactly what they're doing with everything. I mean, the reason why we can see through it is because it's just obvious to us that a lot of this stuff isn't real anyway. It's just not. I mean, like, this is a keyboard, right? Supposedly this is a keyboard. Well, in the English language, it's a keyboard. In somebody else's language, it's a blah 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 blah, you know? But it's like it still plays music. Sometimes, if you turn the volume up, it plays music. I like this organ sound. always play the same chords. It's like you just can't get away. No, I can't. Dude, this wind is killing me. It's like such a perfect day, but the wind is blowing, and it's making it so bitter cold. Don't you love it? It's like a beacon of light through the tumbleweeds. At last, I realized that I was in Western civilization. I saw it fucking Lowe's. Yeah, man. And then I saw the First Horizon ATM. Anyway. Yeah, I'm waiting in this little pile of grass because I gotta get my tires switched up. Because I was getting the tires inflated at the little like free tire inflation station that they have as a special feature of Discount Tire. Okay, I gotta promote them because they help me out, right? And they have good eye candy working for them. But yeah, they said that my back tire was like so low that it wouldn't even rate in their little system. So that's not good. I hope they're not too disappointed that I didn't make it to that luncheon with the bishop, you guys. I just became Orthodox Christian. I was baptized into the church on Lazarus Saturday. So it was around Pascha, aka Easter. So like, I haven't been Orthodox for long enough for people to yell at me about it, you know, because I know that I'm still very like rookie, you know, like I still do stuff that's like not kosher, and I feel bad about it, and I'm like, I'm sorry, but, and they're understanding, but I know that if I was at a Russian church, they would scold the fuck out of me. Tell me something, Vortex, is this bird real? You see that bird? Hey, come over here! Come over here! Are you a robot? Well, you've heard that conspiracy, right? That some of the birds, like, have cameras in them and stuff? That's crazy. You think of all the cameras that we have, the government's like, that's not enough. We gotta put them in the eyeballs of birds flying around. Like, how fucking terrified are they of the people that they have to do that? I don't know if that conspiracy is true, though. I don't just believe all of them. But I will say that there's probably merit to it, you know. Like, I'm pretty open to any conspiracy at this point. I feel like it's kind of ridiculous for people to be like, that's dumb. That's dumb. The world is exactly what they say it is, Amy. You're an idiot for asking questions. But you know, everybody's like a sheep. Everybody's brainwashed a little bit. You know, I am too. I mean, I'm sure in some form or fashion, like, the conspiratorial aspect of me is brainwashing me, you know? What if I'm brainwashing myself with my brain? What if I'm using my brain to wash my brain? We're just saying ridiculous things right now, okay? Because this world is fucking ridiculous. And I feel like comedy is lost on people because they can't understand the ridiculousness and appreciate the ridiculousness for what it is. You better not shit on me. You better not shit on me.
Yeah, that looks like it could be a fake bird. Look at it. Yeah, but I've always wondered that, about everything that I see. Is this real? Am I actually witnessing this? Or am I just making shit up because I want it to be real? And I think that's what the internet has proven, and that's what social media has proven, that a lot of people want that. They want the fake world to be the real world. You know, what you see with the LGB question mark, you know, it's very clear that people are fine with, you know, things not making sense. They're fine with everything just being out of whack. Now, I'm not saying that yours truly is in whack. I'm not saying that we're like, you know, sane or whatever. No, you're insane. I'm insane. I'm so sane that I internalize all of my saneness and people call it crazy. Well, it's because everybody has FOMO. I mention this all the time. I think I'm going to do a song about it. Hold up. I'll be back.